Good morning, everyone. Cam Burrell, Marshall, KPRC Channel 2. We are looking at another wet start to your morning. Heavy rain warnings and advisories this morning, especially along the coast. This afternoon, we'll see isolated storms. We'll see decreasing amounts of rain in the afternoon. Sunday, we'll have rain again, most in the morning, but the end is in sight. Here's Exact Track Radar now looking at what's going on. We've got a lot of heavy rain, especially along the coast. We've got flood warnings, flood advisories right here in the Bolivar Peninsula. Very heavy rainfall continues to move from the southwest to the northeast. That's what we've been watching throughout the morning. Also, this area here off to the west, where we have the Eagle Lake, Sealy area, was a strong storm as well. But flash flood warnings in place until 6:45 right along the Galveston Bolivar Peninsula area. We've had very strong rainfall over there for the last couple of hours. Advisories will probably continue to be in place until all of the strongest rainfall stops. Right now we see it continuing from southwest to northeast, continuing to move up, and the heaviest right there with those strong lightning amounts there. The area in red there along the Bolivar Peninsula is where we have a flash flood warning until this morning at 6:45. You can see we have these where the reds are. That's a very heavy rainfall. We've seen rainfall rates there along the seawall in the Galveston area, 1.68 inches in 1 hour, and that's a conservative estimate. There have been several estimates to show even heavier rainfall, but all of that amount showing some little street flooding there along the Strand. All of this associated with this area of low pressure right about there. The rotation around that is bringing that moisture in, will continue to do so. Futurecast model initializes fairly well there, showing where we have that there at 4 o'clock. Put it in motion until 7 o'clock. Lots of rain here at 7 o'clock as well. Heavy downpours along that same route all across the Bolivar and the Galveston and Brazoria County area, where Brazoria had a lot of rain issues yesterday. They continue to have that this morning. Brazoria, Matagorda, Galveston, the southern part of Harris County going over into Liberty and Chambers County. At 9 o'clock, we see a little bit less. By 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, even less as we move forward, which is good news. They're still going to be around, but not the heaviest rain that we're seeing this morning. And we start to look what goes on in the rest of the Gulf as this front comes through for tomorrow. That's going to be a big player in keeping this area of low pressure, which may be our next named storm, Colin, heading toward Florida, so it's not going to impact us. Here's what we can expect today. Heavy storms from now until noon, especially along the coast. 2 to 4 inch rain amounts is common. We'll have afternoon showers as well. A front will be coming through tomorrow, and that'll push out some of that rain. We'll still have some showers around and about, but just know it's not going to be as intense as it is today. 82 degrees we'll try to get to today, especially if that rain stops. The earlier it stops, the higher the temperature will be this afternoon with the high rain amounts there in place. Here's your 10-day forecast. You notice the rain amounts decrease as we go through Sunday into Monday, and then we have rain, a break from the rain going into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.